once? Record
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class.
It's coming. Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes,
coming.
yes, record the class. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am. And
Next question. Second question. The sum of three numbers is 897. 897. Two of the them numbers are 289 and 324. Okay. Find the third number. Find the third number. You have to find the third number. You have to find the third number. Yes. Chalo. They gave some of the three numbers. Some of the three numbers. Some of the three numbers. Then you have to find the last two numbers they gave. You have to find the third number. 1 minute. Hi Vigneshwar Reddy. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
How to write the how can I write the question, Nana? On your video?
On, ma'am.
Sum of the three numbers means what I have to do? A plus, I am taking
A plus B.
B plus
B
C.
plus
C. Because we have three numbers they are told. Means sum of
Yes,
the three
ma'am.
numbers equals to A plus B plus C equals to 897. After that, what we do? What we have to do, Nana? In the place of A, you can I'm taking 289. In the place of B, I'm taking 321. In the place of C, it is a third number. I'm considering 897.
Yes.
You can add these two. What you got? 289 plus 324. What is the answer you will get? 311 613 plus C equals to 897. This 613 goes to that side. Means 897 minus 613. What is the value? 482. 284 is the answer. 284 is the answer. Did you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, mute yourself. If one number is 20 and the second number is double of the first number, find the sum of the two numbers. Find the sum of the two numbers. Here all should be have to read the question properly. You have to read the question properly, because once read the question properly. Here one number is 20. They gave one number is 20. One number is 20 and the second number is double of first number. Second number is double of first number. Find the sum of the two numbers. Find the sum of the two numbers. Ritvik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to write 20 and the double of 20 is 40. 20 plus 40 is 60.
Yes, yes. We will do A equals to, I am taking 20. Okay.
20.
B equals to double of A.
20.
A means
Double
2
of-
into 20 you can take as
40, ma'am.
40. Then the question is sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers, what you will get? A plus B. Means Here the question is, Rutvik, find the sum of two numbers. Question is find the sum of two numbers. Then Rutvik,
Yes.
are you? Yes. What is the answer you will get?
Ma'am, it's 60.
Yes. 20 plus
40
40
is
equals to 60. 20 plus 40 equals to 60. Okay, Nana. Mute yourself. Next question. Fourth one. Fourth one. The difference of two numbers is 32 if the larger number, because difference is nothing but larger number minus smaller number. Larger number is 352. Find the other number.
ma'am, here you only wrote 35, not 352.
Yes, Nana. 352.
Ma'am, it's 35.
Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Jashwant, unmute yourself. Jashwant, unmute yourself. Jashwant,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, say the answer.
Different of two number is, ma'am, first we should
Difference of A minus, yes, A minus,
A minus B, ma'am.
equals to
352.
32. The difference
32.
of two numbers is 32. Means
32.
A minus B equals to 32. If the
A is
larger number is 352.
352. A is equal 352. Minus
Minus
B
B.
equal 32.
Yes. Here the difference is only possible for largest number minus smallest number. We know all this one. Okay. If you done smallest minus largest one, you will get answer in the minus values. You will get answer in the minus value. But the difference we have to do only large minus small only. Then here 352 minus B equals to 32. Then we know already yes, 1 minute. We know already different subtraction rules. Already we done subtraction rules, X method, missing subtraction rules. Here, if you want to find this value, you have to interchange these values. 352 minus 32 equals to B. 352 minus 32 equals to B. B equals to 320. Okay, you got it, Nana? Jashwant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, who having doubt? P. Charvik having doubt. What is your doubt, Nana Charvik? Unmute yourself, P. Charvik. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, can you show the third question, ma'am? I did not wrote the answer.
Okay, Nana, I will show first. Okay. G. Charvik, what is your doubt?
And can you
Ma'am,
explain?
the fourth one, ma'am. Can you explain
Yes.
the fourth question? I didn't understand.
Yes. Okay, Nana. Okay. Yes, here, first, Nana, before you have to, the difference of two numbers is 32. The difference of two numbers is 32. We are considering thus two numbers are A and B. A and B. I am considering the two numbers are A and B. A minus B equals to 32. Then, if the larger number is 352, a larger number is 352 means in the place of A, I am keeping 352 because difference is possible for large minus small. 352 minus B equals to 32. You have to find the B value. Here, another number is B. You have Ishan, I will unmute you once. Just listen, Nana. And next, here, suppose I am giving 5 minus dash equals to 2. Here, what will come? 3 will come. How you know? 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Like that, you have to do 352 minus 32. You will get the B value. That is 320. That is 320. Next, Ishan, what is your doubt, Ishan? Unmute yourself, Ishan.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can you show
Yes.
third question? Ma'am, can you
1
show
minute.
third?
Yes, yes. All of you note down third question. Make it fast. Who are not completed, please make it fast. Sri Somjit. Yes, Somjit, what is your doubt, Somjit? Unmute yourself. Yes, next.
Ma'am,
fifth question.
yesterday you said no, ma'am. I should take the class.
Again,
Take
ma'am.
the class.
What, Nana? What I
Ma'am,
told
you
you?
said no, ma'am. Yesterday I should take the class.
Ma'am, can you show again?
1 minute now. You should take the class.
Yes, ma'am. You
I
said
know.
no, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. You today are you prepared? After
You
this
said
session, I
no,
will give.
ma'am.
I'm not getting
No, ma'am. I
Nana.
need not prepared, ma'am. Tomorrow I will say, ma'am. Tomorrow.
Okay, okay. Don't worry. Okay. Find the other number.
Okay, ma'am.
Ishan, are you there, Ishan? Why are you not doing your homework, Nana? Daily. I didn't get your homework from May 10th onwards. First class onwards, I didn't get your homework. Why? I don't know. Why, Nana?
Okay,
Ishan,
ma'am.
say. Why are you not sending your homeworks? You are not doing
Ma'am, it's getting too much, ma'am, because
because 2 months means you are. No, you have. That is all are who we completed in the class only. I am giving that homework. These are all very easy. It will be takes only 2 hours time only. If you are sit properly and do your homework, it will take only 1.5 hours to 2 hours only. That's it. Okay. You are not doing your homework and you are telling that is very heavy homework you are telling. But these are all what I am giving homework. These are all easy homework. What I explained in the class I am giving, and you have it will be takes only minimum 2 hours only. Then you have to do your homework compulsory, and tomorrow onwards you have to submit your homework. Okay, Ishan.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next here, the difference of two numbers 15 and if the smallest number they gave. Sahas, unmute yourself, Sahas. Say the answer, Nana.
Ma'am,
Sahas. Yes.
A minus B is equal to 15.
Okay.
If the smaller number is 20, so down the B we should write 20, ma'am.
Okay. Instead of B, we have to write 20.
A minus
minus
20 is equal to 50. A
Uh.
is equal to 15 plus 20.
This minus 20 goes to that side, it will become plus 20. 35.
35 is the answer, ma'am.
If you cross check this question, what will you will get? 35 minus 24 equals to 15 only. 35
15.
minus 20 equals to 15 only.
15.
Mute yourself. And next, Nana, whose class is there?
Ma'am, today, Nushant, Badrinath, Sai Vigneshwar, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Nana. Be ready for all for the class. And next. Yes, G. Charvik, what is your doubt, Nana?
Ma'am, can you explain fourth question, ma'am? I didn't understand it.
Already I explained 2 times. Here the difference of two numbers is 13. A minus B equals to 13. If the larger number is 352. 352 minus B equals to 32. You have to find the B value. What you will do? Already we are done missing numbers in the subtraction. Already we done missing numbers in the subtraction. So many questions. That time, if you want to find the smallest number,
Sorry,
you
ma'am,
have
I confused it.
yes. Next, the difference of Rutvik Sai, the difference of two numbers is 52, if the larger number is 156, find the other number. Find the other number. Chiranjeevi, unmute yourself, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the answer. Explain the answer.
Ma'am, we should put A minus B
Yes. Equals to?
equals to 52.
Okay.
Ma'am, the larger number is 156.
Okay.
Ma'am, minus, we should find B.
Yes. That time you have to interchange these values.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then you will get B. 156 minus 52. What
Minus
is the answer?
52. Ma'am, 156 minus 52 is, ma'am, 104.
104.
4.
The answer is 104. Very good. Samram, what is your doubt? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I not understand the fifth question, ma'am.
Fifth question. What is the fifth question here? Next, the difference of two numbers 15. If smaller number is 20, find the other number. A minus B equals to 15. Smaller means you have to write in the place of B. A minus 20 equals to 15. This minus 20 goes to that side. It will become plus 20. A equals to 15 plus 20. The answer will be 35. Is it clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Seventh one. What is the product of 15 and 12? What is the product of 15 and 12? Product is nothing but multiplication. Just do multiplication. Rishik, unmute yourself. Rishik? Yes, what you will do, Nana?
Ma'am, A into
Yes, A into B.
A into B is equals 12.
No, Nana, what is the product of 15 and 12? You have to multiply these two only. Product, they are asking product. Product is nothing but A into B, 15 into 12. Do 15 into 12. That's it. It is direct question they are asking. Okay?
Yeah.
0, 180. 180 is the answer. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Product is nothing but you have to find total multiplication of that value. That's it. Okay, product is. Next, 8th question. If the product of two numbers is 412, if one number is 4, what is the other number? Here they gave product one number. You have to find other number. What you will do? Division. Division. Product by one number, you will get division. Gagan, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Gagan. What is the answer? Explain the answer.
Yes, ma'am. A into B equals to 412, ma'am.
A into B equals to 412. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. A 412 into
B equals to 4, ma'am.
No, 4 into B equals to 412.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
place of A, you, yes.
Sorry, ma'am. For then
Yes.
we should then we should divide, ma'am. 412 divided by 4, ma'am.
This placing to goes to this side, it will become divide. 4
Yes, ma'am.
12 by 4.
4.
Yes, next.
Yes, ma'am. 4 ones are 4.
Okay.
4 threes are
0.
12, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
0.
103, ma'am. 103, ma'am.
103. If you cross check 103 into 4, 12 is the 412 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, mute yourself, Gagan. Next, 9th question. Here also same type of question. You have to rejoin all of you compulsory. The product of 3 numbers, 824. The product of 3 numbers is 824. If 2 numbers are 4 and 2, what is the another number? What is the third number? Praharsha, you want to say one thing, 1 minute. Praharsha, unmute yourself. One minute, Praharsha. Yes, Praharsha, unmute yourself. Say
Yes.